Oh hi! Welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. On today's episode, we'll be making orange French toast. Okay, so when you have French toast, you have maple syrup with it. So we're going to start by making an orange maple syrup to go over the French toast. To our pan, we're going to add 1 cup of maple syrup, 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of freshly grated orange rind, 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon. So we'll give it a whisk. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to bring this up to a gentle boil, then we're going to turn it down and simmer it. So as you can see, we've got a nice gentle boil going here. We're going to turn it down and we're going to let it simmer until it starts to thicken up, about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so our maple syrup has been cooking for about 3 minutes. I think it's cooked, so we're going to take it off the burner. So the next thing we want to do is prepare our bread. So I got this loaf of bread from Big Water Bakery today. They're a local bakery here in town. If you have the opportunity to go and visit them, you really should. Their stuff is amazing. This is sourdough. You can also use a French loaf or whatever kind of bread that you have. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take the end piece off. Normally it's called a heel. So you want to take it off because it doesn't make very good French toast. But don't throw it away because I happen to think it's the best part of a loaf of bread. So then we want to cut our loaf of bread into about 1-inch thick slices. Okay, so I've cut 6 pieces of bread. That's all we need. So I'm going to put it aside and we'll prepare our egg mixture. Okay, so let's prepare our eggs. To our bowl, we're going to add 6 eggs. To our eggs, we're going to add a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. The rest of our orange rind, which is about somewhere between a teaspoon and a teaspoon. And freshly squeezed orange juice, half of the orange. We'll give this a good whisk. So we're just going to put this aside. We're going to dip our bread and get ready to start cooking. So it's time to dip our bread. So we're just going to take our bread and put in our egg mixture. We're going to get our pan and we'll get the bread out of our egg mixture and into our pan. So to our pan, we're going to add a little bit of butter just so our French toast doesn't stick. Our pan is heated up. It's time to add our bread. I'll dip the other piece, we'll get it on, and we'll be right back. We're going to let that cook until it's golden brown. I would say about 2 or 3 minutes aside. Okay, I think it's time we should flip these. We've got the start of nice golden brown. Well, I think our French toast is cooked. Let's get on a plate, and we're ready to try it. And now for the best part. Let's try it. That is so good. There's definitely an orange flavor to this between the maple syrup and the French toast. You get the hint of cinnamon, you get the orange, definitely get the orange, and that maple syrup is just fantastic. Overall, I recommend that you try this. So thanks very much for watching. Hit the like button if you liked the video, share it with all your friends, hit the notification bell, it lets you know when we upload a new video. We upload every Friday. And comment down below, what did you like about this video? Or better yet, what would you like to see us make next? And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.